If you guys want a controller overlay as you guys see on the screen right here, then make sure to watch the video all the way through and don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first step that you need to do is plug in your controller, and then you're going to want to go to Google and type in Gamepad Viewer. And once you hit search, you're going to see this right here at the top. You're going to want to click on this link, the official controller overlay. And then after you see this screen right here, don't freak out. All you have to do is just press a button on your controller and this will pop up, and you come up to here and you'll hit player 1. And then now you can see your controller. You can move it around as you guys can see right here. And you can also go in here and switch the color or the version of controller you want. There's PlayStation 3, there's PlayStation 4, this weird thingy. There's also this Nintendo one, and whatever this is called. So after you find the one you like, which I like this one right here, this black one, this default controller, you're going to want to come over to the top left-hand side. You see these 3 lines right here. You're going to want to click on that, and then come down to where it says Generate URL. And then after you hit that, you're going to want to click that URL at the top after you select your skin. So Xbox One, click the URL, it's copied. Then I'm going to go back over to Streamlabs. This is what I'm using. And then you're going to want to hit create new source. Go down to where it says browser source right here. Click on that. After you click on that, you're going to want to name your source. So I'm just going to do controller, or actually I'm just going to do con. Then after that, you're going to want to copy that URL right there. So I'm going to put it in my left side right here because I play Call of Duty, and this is just where I see other streamers put their controller. I'm going to give you guys some gameplay from my past stream. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.
That's right, the best
like
streamer sketch. What's up,
100%.
brother?
What's up, brother?
Bro, his
What's up,
room
brother?
is so messy,
Bro, I want to play content warning. Bro, we should all play content warning. Bro, I want to play that game so bad, bro. Have y'all seen that?
Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight.
First of all, Stronghold. Second of all, that video was hilarious. Bro.
But I want to go control.
I don't care, I want to win.
There's so many kids coming here, guys.
Jesus Christ.
Look,
Yeah,
everyone land on these
kills,
kids.
and there's more space.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Oh my,
So
bro.
you got slammed.
Bro, the freaking pistol doesn't shoot, bro. I'm sitting here clicking my freaking mouse. Just not clicking.
Mine shoots fine.
Yeah,
Maybe your mouse is broken.
No, it's not my mouse. It's my, like, it's when I'm moving.
Squad mates redeployed. Well
Like, when I'm moving, it just doesn't want to shoot. I'm like,
Good.
done.
Oh, I need a gun.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, just landed on a kid, bro.
He was in the water. I didn't even I'm playing Fortnite after this, bro. This is too.
go station. Good work.
No, hey, don't give up.
Oh, okay.
And there's a kid right
Thank you.
there. And how do you even die, bro? You are horrible. Gosh. Oh, and there's another kid.
There's one in here, one in here.
One right here.
Oh my gosh, there's 30 million kids in this bit.
Got it.
Bro, I'm about to. Yeah.
Stop raging, Age. You're good.
It was the same kid?
Where are you? Shot.
Just downstairs?
Landing.
What?
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Oh, bro.
Good kill.
Like, how
providing
dumb
cover
is
fire.
this game, guys?
Thank you.
Kill confirmed, and we located the rest of
I'm
them.
going in the water.
Am I cooking or am I cooking, chat?
Not cooking.
Wipe the whole team by myself. I think I'm cooking here.
Hostile counter
End of the day in the life of Eric. Down.
No freaking way. How did you get that kill from that?
Yeah.
Oh wait, his teammate's in the water too, bro.
Where?
Oh, someone landed in. Got him. Bro, his teammate was like surfing the edge. His teammate's right here.
Good kill. Your squad's in the safe zone.
Looked over here. We're chasing.
What?
Enemy soldier incoming.
I heard. Oh, he's inside, right?
Oh my god,
I don't know who
dude.
that was, but good job.
Kill confirmed. We located the rest of them.
Run over there and get it.
This kid's so low right here, chat. On roof too. On roof, Jake. On roof. Literally looking at you.
On the roof.
On roof.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Got him.
Nice, Jake.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh my gosh, a loadout. Where? Oh, we got so many kids right here.
Oh, he got me.
Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Bro, there's so many kids in here, bro. This kid's so low.
Oh, yep, and I'm dead in milliseconds, bro. Oh my god, I'm not ever landing this place again. I've died 4 times already. Probably more than that, actually. Hold on, let me see. Oh, 5. Oh, wait, no.
No, that's redeploys. That means how many times have you gotten someone up?
You got
So, how
reinforcements
many times
inbound.
have I died? How do you see?
We are
Well,
returning.
Eric, I don't think has died, and he's gotten 8 people up, so. Eric, right on top of your building. Just came down ladder. And all the way in,
Enemies
all the way in
dropping
4-0.
into the AO.
Hayden, one right behind you. One
Standing
just
on
sniped me.
business. Standing on business. Standing
Help me,
on
chat. Help me,
business.
chat.
Oh
Behind
my
me.
god,
Everyone.
I kill a kid and... like,
Squad mates
damn, man,
redeploying. Well done.
Okay. Oh.
What? He's hacking. He's hacking.
standing on business.
I don't even care.
Got 3 of us, all of us back. Let's go ship, guys.
I can get down with that.
Yeah, I like this place.
I can get down with what Marin's doing.
You're losing ground.
I just need to
Move
get
it.
some guns.
You guys just get us back. We'll do all the work, you know? Alright, Eric, let's
Yeah.
Right there, Marin, in that building,
Enemy
sniping.
soldier incoming.
Hey, I got 5 kills this game.
go. How does
I'm
he
doing-
how does he win this?
There's
got
no way
5,
you
I
lost
got
that
2.
gunfight. Because
He's looking.
Hayden,
Back on
Alright, you guys keep on
Ready,
doing
Eric?
that. We're gonna go back for loading.
Yep.
Your squad mates
Right.
back on station.
Alright, Eric, let's get down to business.
where do you want to go?
Trying to get maybe like some better
Better guns.
SMG or something.
Alright,
Yeah.
chat. So many kids landing
go.
here, bro.
Good.
So where I died. Come on.
Oh my gosh, you just took that play from me, Marin. You're a sellout.
No.
Yes.
Gosh, man, you're a sellout.
Don't run.
Fire sale
Don't run.
active. Buy station prices have been
Maybe
Got him.
we get in the helicopter.
Alright, I'm gonna let you fly. Oh, I guess I'm flying. Where are we
You
going?
click, to them. Yeah, we're about to go.
Oh, that was a bad idea. I shouldn't have done that.
No, I know. I didn't mean to jump too. I
Get him,
forgot.
Hayden.
I hit a kid.
Yeah, you didn't need to jump. There's 2 right below it. Why is
No
there?
way,
Why is there
there's-
so many? Why
There's
is there
3,
so many?
4. There's everywhere, Eric.
Alright,
I just saw you got a blip.
it's sniped out of here, Hayden. Hayden might on the side.
Alright, you guys keep on doing that. Alright, Eric, let's go.
time for redeployment.
I'll just like,
Just
Do this
keep
all the
bouncing
time.
side.
Gas is moving.
And get him, he's falling down.
where is he?
I don't know where he went now. Oh yeah,
like,
we got
it's like
fuel.
rocking my prone.
We're like half a fuel, Hayden.
Oh shoot. I think we're chilling.
Good kill.
Got
How did
two.
that give you the kill? How did that give you the kill?
Because I Timothy.
Oh, we
Dude, why
got
do I,
flares.
what's happening?
I shot flares, I shot
Oh,
flares.
you can shoot them? Can you
Yeah.
like shoot a
Bro, what?
turret or
Wait,
something?
you shot me through a wall.
No, that's what our honor
We're
lies.
killing. We're
Oh,
killing
oh.
2, bro.
Right here. What'd you say, Hayden?
You can like help them, but unless they're
Okay.
dead, I think
No,
they're
we
dead.
Got
can't.
two.
We're getting low. I
broke
say we
plates on
land.
both of them.
I say we land at control.
That is crazy. I broke
Alright,
the
yeah, we
plates and
can.
hit for white.
There's 3 of them. There's 3 of them, Aaron, coming right to you. One to your right.
Holy crap, bro. Holy crap,
The
bro.
white.
It's disabled
sitting
too,
on a
bro.
loadout.
All right, so we just chill on control, or should we go back for our loadies, Eric?
No, definitely chill at control, bro. They're all over our loadout currently. Ooh, I got my loadie. So no one looted control, by the way.
Yeah,
no.
that's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
With the G59. Where did those kids go? I don't want to go get my loadie, man.
I did too. Should we go get our loadies?
What are we shooting at?
Gas is inbound.
I don't
Alright,
know. I
chat.
thought that was a guy.
Let's all cook here.
I thought this barrel was a guy.
Move to the safe
Wait, I have a
zone.
bomb drone.
So,
Wait, I have a bomb drone.
These look good.
Chat. If they're all in that building, I'm gonna bomb drone them.
wait, they're right here. They're right here. They're right here. They're right here. They're right here.
So
Getting loaded, I'm getting loaded.
Oh! On me, on me.
Holy crap, bro.
Oh, I almost had him.
Oh, I literally aimed at the kid and now I'm just dead from the freaking mortar. My gosh.
Relax.
Wait. Relax? I don't want to relax, bro. I'm done.
Nice.
Hey, this BP50.
Good job, Aaron.
Bro! It's the A train, bro.
Oh, he's raising. Eric.
Former remaining.
BP.
Oh my gosh, it's 1v.
I got 2 kills, guys.
1v4. Play it up. You hold the height right here. You hold the height right here.
You have 15
Reinforcement
bullets
flare.
in your other gun.
Just reinforcements. Watch sky. You can get an easy kill out of the air. Oh my gosh.
Huge.
Oh my gosh.
Massive.
Who's it gonna be? Jake!
Ah, it's me. Oh no.
Jake, just land up there with Eric.
Yeah.
J'ai survécu.
Actually, land at the bottom.
Oh.
Land at the bottom. If you can.
I'm getting shot.
Last chance. Finish the job.
Good stuff.
Why me of all people?
You're the first one to die, I think.
You're good, you're good. There's loot right there on that kid's body. See it, Jake, if you need it?
Right there.
Down there?
Like, yeah.
Good, Eric. He's not
Yes.
cheating. He's just crazy. Reinforcement
I'm gonna
flared.
play it up.
Reinforcement flared. 2 reinforcement flares.
Again, bro? How many do they have, bro?
Oh, I'm lagging. Bro!
Why is this zone, like, closing? You don't have any more stims.
No, he dropped down.
That made me
Good, Eric!
Good.
You're Himothy!
Oh my god.
You're Himothy!
Oh my gosh.
Buddy was muted the whole time.
No way.
He was locked. Bro, no way you freaking meleeed him right
Bro,
there.
if that guy didn't die, bro.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Skadoosh.
fuck
So
her
we
to-
do better. You
I
got
died
plenty
from
popped
So
up
we
right
do,
there.
brother.
Freaking mortar,
Good job, brother.
bro.
36 kill win. Heck yeah.